Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we will see the concept graph isomorphism. First we will concentrate on the word isomorphism. What is meant by isomorphism? Iso means similar or identical. Here the word iso means similar or identical. And what is morphism? The word morphism arrive from Latin word morphos, which means structure. So, in the concept called graph isomorphism, we have to determine whether two or more graphs are in the similar structure or not. Here, we have to determine whether one or more graphs are in identical structure or not. So, how we can determine this? What are the isomorphic graphs? There are three certain parameters through which we can consider whether two or more graphs are isomorphic, that is similar in structure or not. So first parameter is the two or more graph must contain equal number of vertices. Second parameter is the two or more graph must contain equal number of edges. And the third and foremost parameter is degree of vertices are same. If all the three properties are matched, then we can determine two or more graphs are isomorphic in nature or not. So let's have an example. Consider this is a graph G1. Here I will label this graph 1 as G1 graph. This is another graph. I will label this graph as a G2, that is graph 2. So now we will consider one by one parameter. So what is the first parameter to determine whether these two graphs are isomorphic or not? The two graphs must contain equal number of vertices. Here in the graph 1, I will count the number of vertices. This is 1, 2. This is first one. This is second one, third, fourth, fifth. This node is sixth, and this is the seventh one. So there are 7 vertices present in graph G1, and if you consider graph G2, there is also 7 vertices present in graph G2. Now we need to concentrate on second parameter, that is equal number of edges. It means two graphs must contain equal number of edges. So this is edge 1. This is the first edge. Now this is the second edge. This is the third edge. This is the fourth edge. This edge is fifth. This one is the sixth. This is the edge number 7. This is the edge number 8. And this one is the ninth. So there are total 9 edges are present in the graph G1. Now we will count the edges that are present in graph G2. So this one is the first one. This one is the second. This one is the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8 and 9. So again, second property is match. Here in the both graph there are equal number of edges. Like in graph 1 there are total 9 edges, and in graph 2 there are total 9 edges. So total number of vertices present in both graph 7, and total number of edges are present in both graph 9. These two parameters are matched. Now we need to focus on third parameter. Degree of vertices are same. So what is the degree of vertices? The degree of vertices means the total number of edges that are connected to the particular node. For example, here this is the node A, and there are three edges connected to this node: the edge number 1, edge number 7, and edge number 3. It means that the degree of vertex for the node A is 3 because there are three edges are connected to this node A. So here we have to consider the degree of vertices from both the graph. So here we will consider one by one the degree of vertices of each graph. Now we will write the degree of vertices for node A. The degree of vertices for node A is, as there are three edges connected to this node, so degree of vertex for the node A is 3. For node B, there are two edges connected to this node, so the degree of vertex of node B is 2. Node C, again there are two edges are connected to this node, so the degree of vertex for the node C is 2. Here I will write the degree of vertex for the node D. So there are three edges connected to this node D, 1, 2 and 3. So here I will write the degree of vertex for node D is 3. Now consider the node E. There are three edges connected to this node E, so the degree of vertex for the node E is 3. Now focus on node F. This is the node F, and there are two edges connected to this node F, edge 8 and edge 9, so the degree of vertex for the node F is 2. And the last, node G. There are three edges connected to this node G, edge number 6, 4 and 9, so the degree of vertex for the node G is 3. So if we consider the graph G1, there are some nodes like node A, D, E and G contain the degree of vertex 3. So the total number of nodes which contain the degree of vertex 3 are 4, that are A, D, E and G, and there are 3 nodes which contain degree of vertex is 2. and these nodes are B, C and F. Now we will focus on the degree of vertex for the graph G1. There are 7 nodes present in this graph G2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 3 edges connected to this node 1. So degree of vertex for node 1 is 3. For node for node 2 there are 2 edges. Degree of vertex of node 2 is 2. Again for node 3 there are 2 edges connected to this node 3. So the degree of vertex for node 3 is 2. Node 4 also contain the degree of vertex 2 because there are 2 edges connected to this node 4. Node 5 is connected with total number of 3 edges. So the degree of vertex for node 5 is 3. Node 6, this node 6 is connected with 3 edges. So the degree of vertex for node 6 is 3. Node 7, there are 3 edges connected to the node 7. So the degree of vertex for node 7 is 3. Now we need to compare the degree of vertices for both graph G1 and G2. So there are total number of 4 nodes contain. The degree of vertex is 3 in graph 1 and graph 2. From graph 1, A, D, E and G, these are the 4 nodes which contains the degree of vertex 3, and from graph 2 there are node 1, 5, 6, 7. These 4 node contains the degree of vertex 3. And in graph 1 there are 3 nodes like B, node C and node F, which contain the degree of vertex 2. Similarly, in graph 2 also there are 3 nodes like node number 2, node 3 and node 4, which contain the degree of vertex 2. In this way, third parameter is also matched. Degree of vertices are also same. So according to these 3 parameters, we can consider or determine the graph G1 and G2 are the isomorphic. It means these two graphs are similar in structure. Let's consider a brief example. Here there are total 3 graphs G1, G2 and G3. Here we will determine whether these 3 graphs are in isomorphic or not. So first we need to consider the total number of nodes present in each graph. Here in the graph G1, node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4 and node 5. It means there are total number of 5 nodes are present in graph G1. In graph G2, the nodes are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In graph G3, the graph G3, total number of nodes are present 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if we compare the total number of vertices from each graph, then each graph contain 5 number of vertices. So first parameter is match. Now we will focus on the second parameter, that is the total number of edges are same or not. This is the edge 1, edge 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 number of edges present in the graph G1. Now consider graph G2. This is the edge 1, edge 2, edge 3. This is the edge number 4 and this is the fifth one. Again, total number of 5 edges are present in the graph G2, which are also similarly present in the graph G1. Now concentrate on graph 3, that is labeled as G3. This is the edge 1, edge 2, edge 3, edge 4 and edge 5. So edges are also same. Both graph contain similar number of vertices as well as similar number of edges. Now we need to look on the third parameter, degree of vertices are same or not. So the degree of vertex for node A is 2, as there are 2 edges connected to this node. Then degree of vertex for node E is also 2, for node D 2, node C 2 and node B also 2. So in the graph G1, degree of vertices for all the nodes are 2 because only 2 edges are connected to each node. Now consider graph G2. This node P contain 2 edges are connected to this node P. So the degree of vertex for node P is 2. For node Q is also 2. Node T degree of vertex is 2. 5. Again there are 2 edges connected to this node. So the degree of vertex for this node is 2. R, the degree of vertex is 2. In graph G2 also, all the degree of vertices are 2. In this way, graph G1 and G2 are isomorphic in nature. Now we will consider the graph G3. Here the degree of vertex for node U is 2, for node V is 2, for node X is 2, for node W the degree of vertex is 3 because there are 3 edges connected to this node, and node Y the degree of vertex is 1. So the degree of vertices is not similar with graph 3, hence graph G3 is not isomorphic in nature with G1 and G2, whereas G1 and G2 are the two isomorphic graphs. This is all about graph isomorphism. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you have really liked this video, then click on the like button, share this video with the maximum number of people, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone.